Rich Soderquist from SolderQuest. Want to learn how to build a really cool FM stereo radio receiver and learn how to have fun soldering at the same time? Stay tuned to the SolderQuest channel. Give us a thumbs up and ring that bell if you like what we're doing. Thank you.
Hey folks, we're doing a little bit of an unboxing tonight. One of the things I'm going to be doing is doing a lot of kit making with you. This is a little kit that is a little FM transmitter, and you can see the little circuit board. It's got some surface mount. It's got a small IC chip here. I'm going to walk you through installing that. Has a variety of little different components. LEDs, capacitors, transistors, little jack. It's got the battery connector, a couple of electrolytic capacitors, some resistors, another resistor here. Looks like we have one diode, a connector, another diode that's kind of bent up pretty good, some small microfarad capacitors, ceramic, kind of a little connector, and then another little can type electrolytic capacitor, it looks like. So we will go through this and see if we can't get this little kit made up for you. It's supposed to be an FM transmitter. Basic circuit board. It's got some plated through holes, and all that means is that these holes that you see going completely through the board have plating, metal plating. You can see the surface mount pads. So we'll start to learn some more terminology as we go through our videos, but really surface mount and plated through hole are the two types. You only apply solder on a plated through hole to one side of the board, the secondary side, which is this back side. This would be the primary side. So the secondary or source side, where you're putting your source, where you're putting your solder, that is where we'll solder, and it'll flow through, and I'll explain all that.
Alright everybody, I hope you liked that little unboxing video. We're going to be doing a series of do-it-yourself kit builds, and this is the first in a series. Watch for the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we thank you for watching.